2017 Ford F350 Crew Cab Long Bed King Ranch 6.7 Powerstroke turbo diesel. This is the most affordable King Ranch or Platinum truck that we've ever had. Yes, it is a very unusual color. Depending on the way the light hits it, it goes from cream to tan to almost a yellow. This truck was done by the dealership this color, as well as this customer's complete fleet of vehicles. His upper management and himself, rather big company, get King Ranches. Even though, yes, they do work out of the trucks. They don't tend to abuse them, but they do use them. But the paint job is done properly and correctly. It's a Virginia truck, so no rust. Michelin tires, no modifications to the emissions. They use the bed, so the bed's stained up a little. Interiors are pretty clean. This one still needs to be detailed. Replace that little whatever's missing there. Panoramic sunroof. Into the driver's seat, a little bit of wear right there. You can hear the truck running, runs perfect. When they paint it all. They remove the trim, they remove the emblems, power folding steps. Armrest is not beat up. Sunroof works properly. Large screen display, 360 cameras. I drove this truck home. The only thing that I could really fault it for that I noticed is the heated seats. If they do work, they work very faintly. I think that was about it, actually. We had the heated seats, so I don't know if passenger side works, but the driver's side didn't. Oh, and the little piece right here we are replacing, so that will be taken care of. That was really the only two faults. So for a truck like this, going for, I think it's $48,000, book value is like $70,000. Not too bad of a bill of health. No check engine lights, no trouble codes. These trucks are serviced at the dealership, so they're serviced properly, maintained properly, run out well, and basically every option I think you can get. If you're looking for an affordable crew cab long bed truck with a lot of options, this would be the one. Check the website or call with any questions.